In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document seamlessly. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone needing to edit text, extract information, or repurpose content from a PDF. First, you'll want to open the PDF file you're looking to convert. This step is straightforward. Simply double-click the file from your desktop or open it through your preferred PDF reader. Once the file is open and you're viewing it on your screen, focus your attention on the global bar at the top. This is the menu bar that provides various options and tools you can use with your PDF. Now, in this menu bar, look for a selection titled Convert. Clicking on Convert will open up the conversion settings that you'll need for this process. Think of this section as your control center for determining how your converted document will be formatted. It's an important step because it sets the direction for the transformation of your file. Here you will choose your desired output format. And since we're aiming to convert this PDF into a Microsoft Word document, it's crucial to select the correct format. In the Conversion Settings menu, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Microsoft Word. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with two options, Doc and docx. Now, you might wonder, what's the difference? docx is the more modern, widely used format. It's built to be compatible with newer versions of Microsoft Word, enhancing functionality and offering a smoother user experience. So, unless you are working with much older software, docx is the recommended choice. With your format now selected as docx, you're all set to move to the next step. Click on the Convert button. At this point, the software begins processing your PDF file. This conversion step won't take long, as the program is designed to efficiently handle the conversion and produce a Word document that retains as much of the original layout and formatting as possible. And there you have it. A newly converted Microsoft Word document is ready for you to edit, share, or use however you see fit. This simple method can save you time and streamline your workflow when dealing with PDFs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy converting.